Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are at Walibi, Holland, where unfortunately Untamed is closed. But we have just lost gravity, super fun ride, I love it so much, and now we're heading into Speed Zone. 3 rides. We did the Enterprise, we did Goliath, and we just did Express Platform 13. All were great rides, some of them better than the others. Express Platform 13, very rough, very cool station though. Like pre-show, queue line, it's a very cool ride. But it's very headbanging once you get off the launch. The launch is cool. Other than that, it's not a good ride. Enterprise, it's very disorienting, and there's no restraint or anything, so you kind of just, or like, you're stuck in it, but you get hang time, it's very strange. It's hard to describe. And then we did Goliath, which is very good. It's a great ride. Has a lot of good speed in the front, and we haven't done the back yet, and has great airtime, great laterals, great everything. Great positives, great speeds, and now we're going to lunch. Don't ask why my hair's like this. You'll find out in the Toverland vlog. Anyway, I wasn't doing a great job of vlogging today at the park. I don't know why. I think I was just tired. So let me give you a brief explanation of what happened. So we ate lunch. The food was, we waited in like a 45-minute long line for food. So whatever. Not great food. The other parks had a lot better food. Then we went on the Ferris wheel. And when we were at the top of the Ferris wheel, we were like just sitting there. I was taking photos and stuff. And we saw Untamed go with people on it. So yeah, I got really excited. And we ran over, and it was super windy up there, so I couldn't get good footage. But yeah, we were really excited, so now we're at Untamed. It was a bad day for me vlogging, guys. I'll try to get better, I swear. Let's go. Okay, Untamed opened. I'm so happy that I've been looking forward to that for so long, and it said it was gonna be closed all day, and it just opened up a few minutes ago, so we sprinted to it. Got 2 rides, one to front, one to back. Best ride in the Netherlands so far. It's a front row ride in my opinion, but I might have gotten a bad ride in the back, but it's awesome. Now I know a lot of people want to skip this ride, but don't. This is one of the best rides in the park. I'm not joking. It's so fun. Okay, the next coaster we are riding is going to be Speed of Sound. I'm excited for this ride. It's looks pretty good. It has new restraints for it to become a boomerang, so I think it'll be smooth. It looks like it has a cool sound effect, so let's do it. Looks like it has a cool sound effect. Looks like it has a cool sound effect. Looks like it has a cool sound effect. Looks like it has a cool sound effect.
Buckle up, it's a chill ride. thrill ride.
Also, maybe just share some thoughts on the park so far. It's really cool. I definitely like the theming. It's very quirky. It's definitely a very European park. Only in Europe. Okay, so we have done a few rides since I last vlogged. Speed of Sound and this weird spinning one. I put it on screen before this. And then we did Lost Gravity again. And we did a kids coaster in between that. And Speed of Sound, it's the best Common Boomerang, easily. Because it's a little rough, but it's just so fun. The soundtrack, the speed, it's a good boomerang. We laughed it. I never thought I'd say that. Lost Gravity, I've already said before, it's a great ride, super fun. It's a little bumpy, but the middle seats are not bad. And we did a kids coaster. It was really fun. And that flat ride we did was so fun. It spun it's like a tilt-a-whirl and a scrambler combined. It's so fun. I would do it. Not a great merch collection here. I don't really like this. It's not great. I don't know who would buy this. Yeah, they don't have a lot of great merch. They don't have Untamed merch either, which is too bad. Bro, they don't own the rights to South Park, do they? I forgot to record an outro for Walibi, so I'm doing it now. It was my favorite park on the trip. I'm not going to say what happens at Barbershop Land. You're going to have to wait for that one to come out because I'm here right now. Here's a little sneak peek. Whoa, okay, that's all you get. Okay, but yeah, other than that, it's a little smaller than I expected, but other than that, it's really fun. So yeah, I hope you join me for Barbershop Land tomorrow. Or for you, it's a week from now. Thanks for watching.
Sounds good. It's a brand new day. Hey. Wake up every morning and say it's a brand new day. Hey. Take a good day, make it great, okay? 'Cause if you got some lemons, make some lemonade. Yeah, taste those clouds away. It's a brand new day. Hey, it's a brand new day. It's a brand new day. Okay, okay. My whole life got them hand-me-downs, but what that meant was I had my family round. And sometimes I can't help but frown. Then I remember what I meant for is